CB Media.
People are definitely not used to seeing me here. People are looking at me like I'm an alien.
He got some tractor racing. They got it modified, he said. He brings some wild shit in Thailand.
Basically, how this works is there's a start line and a finish line, but it's not a drag race like the Buffalo race. It's more so like a circle track.
You gotta check him out. You ain't gonna try this, are you, Chad?
This is hands down the loudest situation I've ever attempted to vlog in. For tractors, the announcers. I don't even know if you can hear me. I'm trying though.
There they go. Go subscribe to CB Media, man. He got some buffalo, long tail, boat racing, buffalo racing.
But this is Thailand. This country, if it's possible to race it, it's going to be raced. And that's what I love about it.
They ain't putting no turbos though.
So I think they have to use an engine to start the actual engine. I think that's what's happening here.
Fuckers are nuts. It's like a walk behind mower with some race wheels on it. I give it to you, Chad, for coming up with this one. Another one. Hing's Garage had to put you on this stuff.